Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make your repost private on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. First thing, you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on the TikTok profile section at the top right, click on the three line. Once you click on the three line, click on the last option, settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, click on it. Now over here, scroll a bit down and you will see the option called the repost. So if repost feature is not available in your country, you're not going to see it over here. So in my case, it's not available. That's why I'm not seeing any repost option. But in the future, when it gets available, the option will be available over here. So I just have to come here and click on repost. Once I click on repost, I can click on where it says only me. Once I click on only me, my repost will be privated, which means only I will be able to see my repost. So that's how we guys can make your repost private. So try to come over here and see if it is available to you or not. If it is, then you can follow the step which I just told you. So that's how we guys can make your repost private. Hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.